In the Production Issue application, to check the status or material needed, select the desired part. Next, enter the required quantity, even if you're interested in the status of parts currently in production. Then, select the relevant store. Please note that this function currently considers only a single store. Material present in other stores will not be included in these calculations. Now, click the Load button. This action will generate and display the tree structure, showing both the current stock levels and any work-in-process inventory. Let's understand the information presented in the tree. Consider a frame node. Within the brackets, you'll see the validity of this part. For a frame, it's 1. Inside the square brackets, the first number indicates the current stock quantity available. For frame, we have 5 frames in stock. The second number within the brackets represents the work in process, WIP quantity. If this number is greater than 0, it indicates that we have frames currently being produced. In this example, it's 0, meaning no frames are currently in process. Our system intelligently pulls WIP stock from both in-house production and any offloaded manufacturing processes. The third number in the brackets shows the total required quantity. For a bicycle, we required 10 frames, because frame has validity of 1, validity multiply required quantity is total required quantity. The number after the equal sign displays the actual quantity needed. Since we already have 5 frames in stock, so the actual requirement is 5 more frames to be manufactured or assembled. That covers assemblies. Now, let's look at materials. The frame assembly requires for components those are frame body, fork, stem, and head parts, each with a validity of 1. If each of these components shows 5 in stock, and we require 5 to meet the current demand, so current stock satisfy demand. Here is twist. Bicycle require quantity is 10, but 5 quantity of frame already in stock, so frame child parts required 5 quantity each, instead 10. Let's take another example, the wheel. For each bicycle, we need 2 wheels. So, for a required quantity of 10 bicycles, the wheel node will show a required quantity of 20. Now, the wheel itself is made up of 4 parts, rim, tire, hub, and spokes. For each wheel, 36 spokes are required. Therefore, for target of 10 bicycles, a total of 720 spokes are needed. The part rim, tire, and hub have a validity of 1 each per wheel. Hence, for 10 bicycles, we require 20 rims, 20 tires, and 20 hubs. It's that easy. No more frustration. Here is another twist. You can export this entire tree structure to a CSV file. This gives you the flexibility to further analyze and utilize this valuable information as needed. With this intuitive tool, our ERP transforms complex production planning into clear, actionable insights. Now every team member, from shop floor operators to supply chain managers, can understand and make production more efficient. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.